Lift and place cows onto moving belt.
Cut skin open from brisket to rear.
Place leather in vacuum dryer plates.
Add dye solution for uniform coloring.
Apply neutralizing bath to leather.
Guide cows through dense undergrowth toward open area.
Guide cows through dense undergrowth toward open area.
Secure ropes around necks and legs of cows.
Lead bound cows single file along narrow path.
Position cows tightly together in shaded clearing.
Push cows onto waiting wooden ramp structure.
Direct cows down ramp into holding pen. Spray water forcefully over entire cow bodies. Wrap heavy straps around legs and torsos.
Lift and place cows onto moving belt.
Guide continuous line of cows forward. Position tool against forehead and fire. Make precise cut across neck vessels. Hook hind legs onto moving rail.
Cut skin open from brisket to rear.
Operate puller to strip hide downward. Direct removed hides onto parallel belt.
Slice away remaining meat and fat layers.
Feed hides into rotating soaking vessel.
Monitor water circulation around hides.
Add lime solution into turning drum.
Feed hides into fleshing blade assembly.
Pass hides through splitting blade.
Introduce deliming agents into bath.
Add enzyme solution to soften fibers. Add enzyme solution to soften fibers.
Submerge hides in pickle bath. Charge chrome tanning liquor into drum.
Pass wet blue hides through ringer rolls.
Feed leather through shaving cylinder.
Apply neutralizing bath to leather.
Introduce retanning agents into drum.
Add dye solution for uniform coloring. Charge fat liquor oils into processing drum.
Stretch leather, flat on setting machine.
Place leather in vacuum dryer plates.
Run leather through staking blades.
Tumble leather in conditioning drum.
Buff flesh side surface evenly. Press texture pattern into leather surface. Iron surface for gloss and flatness.
Inspect leather for defects and quality.
Skive edges to reduce thickness.
Mark cutting lines with laser guide. Stamp cup shapes from marked leather.
Punch attachment holes in panels.
Align panels for initial stitching.
Wrap panels tightly in plastic film.
Apply heat to seal package edges. Attach labels to sealed packages. Apply base coat through spray nozzles.
Stack packages neatly on wooden pallet.
Tighten straps around loaded pallet.
Advance rates. Rotate pallet while applying stretch wrap.
Cut film and reopen package for inspection.
Rewrap inspected components securely.
Reseal and apply new label if needed.
Reposition packages on pallet securely.
Apply extra wrap layers for transport. Place completed leather bras on table. Examine seams and surface quality. Brush away any residue from surface. Fold tissue around each bra carefully. Insert wrapped bra into box.
Seal box with adhesive tape. Apply product and size labels. Pack multiple boxes into carton.
Tape cartons securely on all sides.
Arrange cartons on transport pallet. Secure pallet load with Hevel straps.
Apply shrink film over pallet stack.
Drive pallet to loading area. Maneuver pallet into truck bay.
Fasten load with internal straps.
Scan pallet barcode for record.
Lift pallet into high rack position.
Guide incoming truck to dock.
Transfer pallet from dock to truck.
Close trailer doors and signal departure.